Hey guys, Thomas here. Just thought I would do a kind of a recap video of all the things that I've done to the car since I got it. I'm going to try and do a little side-by-side video, not really side-by-side, but I'm going to show the car the day that we got it and brought it home, and then compare that with how it looks today. You'll have to excuse the video from that first day. I was using an old cell phone, didn't focus well, but should be fine. Anyway, I will try to list everything I've done to this car. I'll try to keep it quick, and I will forget a lot of things, I'm sure. So let's get started. My first goal was to try and get the engine started and running. So I had to get a new fuel pump, basic tune-up, distributor, plugs, rotor, cap. Well, not a distributor, but distributor cap, plugs, wires. Had to clean out the SU carbs. Somehow they got just a bunch of gunk in them, so I had to clean those out. So I had to buy new floats. Let's see, what else did I have to do? I got a new coil, didn't need a new coil, but went ahead and bought one anyway and put it on. Got a new radiator. The other one was cracked and leaking. It still has the original voltage regulator. There's a new alternator in there. Let's see, I repaired that light so it would come on. I added a fuel filter, some fuel lines. Had to replace the entire main fuel line from the gas tank to the front. I put in a new clutch, new exhaust header. The original was fine, but the rest of the exhaust system was rusted through, and I don't think I was going to be able to get them apart. So, new exhaust system. I think that's it for that side. New master cylinder. Oops, sorry about the cord. New master cylinder, brake booster, new clutch master cylinder, new clutch slave, new battery, new rubber all around. I did the doors, the hatch, under the hood here. Let's see. I ripped out the AC from the system. So that wasn't new, but that is certainly work done. Let's see, I banged out some of the dent that was in that fender and the passenger side door. I cleaned up these wheels somewhat. I rebuilt the front brake calipers with a rebuild kit. Got some new brake lines in a couple, just the connector feeder lines. Rebuilt the rear brakes, the new shoes, new pads on the front, new wheel cylinder lines. Got the gas tank refurbished. Put a new piston thing here that doesn't really hold the hatch up anyway. Let's see, did I do anything else inside here? Just put all of the interior pieces back on just to see that they would fit. All new, oh yeah, with the gas tank, I also put all new vent hoses on that. That was a pain. Had to get a new fuel filler neck, which is obviously underneath the gas cap, because that one, I put some gas in and it just poured right out. Let's see. That can't be everything. Obviously, I gave the car a very quick single coat aerosol can flat black paint job. It was red and white and the hood was orange. I just wanted a unified color. I don't think I had to replace any lights or bulbs. I did one bulb inside. I also did a lot of cleaning. I cleaned everything up. Cleaned up the door skins. Cleaned up the upholstery, the interior. Obviously I have the diamond pattern covers off of the transmission tunnel, but I have those up in storage, so I'm going to replace those. Bought a new steering wheel, fixed the horn. I had to buy a new horn button itself. Let's see, anything else on the inside? Not really much work, just a lot of cleaning went on the inside. Put the center console back in. Just put the interior together, really was about it. I'm sure I'm missing about 100,000 things, but that's the basics of what I did. And now on to the the comparison video. Stand by.
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now it's just smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take a ladder. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time